Welcome to my YouTube channel Statisticians Club. I hope everyone is fine. Please subscribe the channel. Also press bell icon to receive latest videos about regression analysis and econometrics. In my previous video curve fitting part 1, I discuss straight line, quadratic or parabolic curve and cubic curve. In this video I elaborate on exponential curve, geometric curve and hyperbolic curve. In exponential curve, when mathematical equation is of the form y is equal to a b की power x. In this type of equation, when the value of v greater than 1, the curve rise upward, and in case of value of v less than 1, the curve fall downward. We can see this in graph of exponential curve. Here, if the value of b greater than 1, then the curve goes upward direction, and in case of value of b negative, the curve falling downward. This curve shows in broken curve for distinction purpose. If we take log of this equation, log of y is equal to log of a plus x log of b. By applying log formulas of multiplication and power, we obtained this equation. When we have exponential equation in this form, then if the value of log of b positive, the curve rise upward, and if the value of log of v negative, the curve falls downward. Here is question: in which situation exponential curve is suitable? When dependent variable y forms geometric progression and corresponding x variable forms arithmetic progression, then in such type of data we can use exponential curve. Similarly, exponential curve is also suitable between the values of x and log of y. These values form straight line when plotted on the graph paper. Data from biology, banking and economics frequently exhibit such trends. Example from real life is growth of bacteria is exponential. Sale or earning in business follow the same kind of law of growth. Now we move towards geometric curve. In geometric curve, if the value of b is positive, the curve rise upward, and if the value of b negative, the curve fall downward. We can see this from the graph. In case of b positive, the curve goes upward, and in case of b negative, the curve falling downward. This curve is suitable when both x and y variable change by constant percentage. In other words, we can say geometric progression. And these x and y variables are plotted on graph paper as log of x and log of y, and they form the straight line. This is the sign of geometric progression. The last type is hyperbolic or hyperbola. Hyperbola curve, it is also called reciprocal curve, and it is suitable in the situation when y variable is reciprocal of the x values and form a straight line. When we plot this graph on graph paper, you can see reciprocal of y values against x values, and this relationship form a straight line. So this is the example of hyperbola curve. Thanks.